Hello, Instagram users. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of seeing muted accounts on Instagram. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap on your profile picture located at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Step 3. At the top right corner of the screen, tap on the 3 lines icon. This will open the menu options. Step 4. From the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the Settings and Privacy section. Step 5. Scroll down the settings options and tap on Muted Accounts. This will allow you to access the list of accounts that you have muted. That's it. You have successfully accessed the list of muted accounts on Instagram. Here, you can view and manage the accounts you have muted. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.